You look all around us. If this keeps going on, the safety and security of Singaporeans is compromised. We have to take all steps that are possible and within that framework necessary, even if it means that our neighbors are upset.
The government will be putting pressure on Indonesia in international forums with regards to the current haze crisis, said Foreign Affairs Minister K. Shanmugam. Speaking at a media conference on Saturday, he said that he will be raising the issue at a ministerial summit next week with the Association of Southeast Asian Nations, also known as ASEAN.
We have decided that this matter has to be discussed at ASEAN ministerial meetings because it's a regional problem. Depending on what steps are taken, because we have to see concrete results in terms of the impact on us, we will have to decide in what other fora this has to be discussed.
Illegal burning of forests and other land on Indonesia's Sumatra Island to clear space for palm oil plantations have sent hazardous levels of smog to Singapore. The pollutant standards index here reached 401 yesterday, a record high. It had since fallen but remained in the unhealthy range, which is any reading above 100. Indonesia remains the only ASEAN nation yet to ratify an agreement to reduce haze pollution initiated over 10 years ago, known as the Agreement on Transboundary Haze Pollution.
There are limits to what regional bodies can do, weighs away the territorial sovereignty and the right of countries to take steps within their own countries. Nevertheless, ASEAN, international organizations, prove an useful and important platform for issues to be raised, and countries have to then account for their actions. And that by itself has had in the past impact on the conduct of countries.
Mr. Shanmugam noted Indonesia has not taken up assistance offered by Singapore in putting out the forest fires. He does not rule out the option of going to international organizations such as the United Nations in the future. As to what the government can do about some Singapore-based companies named by Indonesia as having engaged in slash and burn land clearing practices, Mr. Shanmugam, who is also Minister for Law, said,
The first and foremost is these companies, if indeed it is true that they are the cause of the problem, are operating within Indonesia. So we would like to see strong, firm, effective action taken against them in Indonesia, because that's where they are, that's where the actions are taking place, that's where the officers are, the senior people. Any assistance we can render in that respect, we will do so. There's no doubt about that. Second, I've asked the Attorney General to consider what is it that we can do in Singapore if such companies can be proved to have contributed in some way. We will do everything that we can do. We will offer no refuge.
The National Environment Agency advised those who are considered more vulnerable to limit any prolonged or heavy exertion. They include people with lung or heart disease, children, and the elderly. Keep watching Razor TV for more updates.